Hi, this is Ann Appera, caterer to the stars for Expert Village, and you've helped me create a wonderful meal for a catered event or for a dinner for two at your home. I've made a beautiful pasta con pesto with my mom's traditional recipe with a little twist, and earlier I made gorgeous grilled marinated shrimp. And remember, I grilled some lemon on it as a pretty garnish. Now this would be a lovely buffet display for a party or at the dinner table. But if you wanted to do one step further and say what I would do if I was going to throw this party and plate each entree, each course, I would add the shrimp on top of the pasta to give it a little extra bang. So since I've already marinated and cooked the shrimp, look at how easy it peels off. I'm just grabbing it with my fingers and I'm just pulling off the legs and it's just peeling it right out of the shell. Look at the gorgeous color. You should smell it. It smells fantastic. You can tell it's done because it's nice and firm. It's got beautiful flavors. Probably for each person, I would give them 4 shrimp because that's a good starting block, and I can always have a platter of seconds ready to pass around. Most people like seconds. I know I do. All right, so here's our gorgeous shrimp, beautifully cooked and ready to go. Peeling right off of the shrimp, or off the tail. Okay, I'm going to grab a plate and a nice pair of tongs. I'm going to take some of this beautiful pasta. I'm going to put it right in the center of the plate because this is my main course now. Gorgeous. Make sure you get some of those pretty tomatoes for color and texture. They've cooked down a little bit too, so they've got a really nice sweetness and a nice texture. And on top of that, I'm going to add my beautiful, freshly cleaned shrimp. Oops, that tail got on there. Pop that one off. And just arrange it nicely. And I have a little bit of parsley I left on the reserve. A little splash of that. Then I'm going to add one of these lovely grilled lemon for them as a garnish. And then offer the option of a little bit of Parmesan on top. And again, I like cheese. So I'm going to add just a little bit to finish it. And there we go. Traditional with a twist. Pasta con pesto with grilled marinated shrimp. Yum. Come and eat.